Okay, so how do you change the visibility of your content? When you recall dual media messaging, I'm not saying video because it's actually dual media, as you probably have seen. What you will do is you have the choice between unlisted and private. If you do a private content, what will happen is that the person will have to log on to access the content. Okay? Now, if you do want to change that, you can go, as I said, here. You will go here, click on this button, and then you can change the privacy. Here you can change the privacy, unlisted. You will be able to click on this one and then change privacy, and you can put it as private or non-listed. If you want people to access the link without logging, you need to put on not listed. What will happen is that only the person who receives the link will be able to open. If you put private, you will force the person to log in to access the content. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.